Fasting is the fastest way to healing. Have you ever considered the powerful impact that fasting can have on your overall health and well-being? Fasting, the practice of abstaining from food or drink for a certain period of time, has been gaining popularity in recent years for its numerous health benefits. In this video, we will explore the concept of fasting and its relevance to health, shedding light on why it is important to delve into the positive impacts it can have on our bodies. Fasting is not just about weight loss or restriction, it is a holistic approach to improving our health from the inside out. By giving our digestive system a break and allowing our bodies to focus on repair and rejuvenation, fasting can help regulate blood sugar levels, reduce inflammation, boost metabolism, and even promote longevity. The idea of fasting may seem daunting at first, but the potential health benefits make it a practice worth considering. Join us as we dive deeper into the world of fasting and uncover the science-backed benefits that can transform your health and well-being. Get ready to discover a new perspective on how fasting can be a game changer for your overall health. Understanding fasting. Explore the concept of fasting and its different forms. Fasting, a practice deeply rooted in various cultures and religions, involves abstaining from food or drink for a specific period. It holds significant spiritual and health-related importance across the globe. Different forms of fasting have emerged, each with its unique approach and benefits. Intermittent fasting, for example, involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting, promoting weight loss, improved metabolic health, and longevity. Water fasting, on the other hand, restricts intake to water only, allowing the body to detoxify and reset. Time-restricted eating focuses on consuming meals within a specific window of time each day, optimizing digestion and energy levels. Physiologically, fasting triggers a cascade of changes in the body. During fasting, insulin levels drop, prompting the body to burn stored fat for energy. This process, known as ketosis, can lead to weight loss and improved cognitive function. Additionally, fasting stimulates autophagy, a cellular repair process that removes damaged components and promotes cellular health. By understanding the different forms of fasting and the physiological changes they induce, we can harness the power of this ancient practice to enhance our overall health and well-being. Health benefits of fasting. Detailing the numerous health benefits associated with fasting. Fasting offers a myriad of health benefits that extend beyond just weight management. By promoting fat burning and reducing calorie intake, fasting can aid in weight loss and improve metabolic health. One of the key advantages of fasting is its impact on weight management and metabolism. Additionally, fasting has been shown to enhance insulin sensitivity, helping regulate blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. Furthermore, fasting can reduce inflammation in the body, which is linked to various chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. In addition to physical health benefits, fasting also holds promise for brain health and longevity. Studies have suggested that fasting may promote the growth of new nerve cells and enhance cognitive function. By reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the brain, fasting could potentially lower the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Moreover, the cellular repair processes activated during fasting may contribute to longevity by promoting overall cellular health and resilience. By incorporating fasting into your lifestyle, you can tap into a wealth of health benefits that can transform your well-being from the inside out. Join us as we dive deeper into the science behind fasting and uncover how this ancient practice can revolutionize your health. Fasting and disease prevention. Fasting has emerged as a powerful tool in disease prevention, offering a holistic approach to safeguarding our health against a range of chronic conditions. One of the key benefits of fasting is its potential to reduce the risk of prevalent diseases such as heart disease and diabetes. By improving cardiovascular health, regulating blood sugar levels, and promoting weight loss, fasting can help mitigate the risk factors associated with these conditions, ultimately enhancing overall well-being. Moreover, research suggests that fasting may play a role in cancer prevention and treatment. Fasting has been shown to inhibit tumor growth, enhance the effectiveness of chemotherapy, and protect healthy cells from damage during cancer treatment. By targeting cancer cells' metabolic vulnerabilities, fasting shows promise in complementing traditional cancer therapies and improving outcomes for patients. Additionally, fasting's impact on autoimmune diseases and inflammation is a topic of growing interest in the medical community. By modulating the immune response and reducing inflammation, Fasting may alleviate symptoms associated with autoimmune conditions and promote immune system balance. The anti-inflammatory effects of fasting can help manage chronic inflammation, a common underlying factor in various autoimmune diseases. By incorporating fasting into your health regimen, you can proactively support disease prevention and optimize your overall health. Join us as we dive deeper into the potential of fasting as a preventive measure against a spectrum of diseases, empowering you to take charge of your well-being. Fasting practices and safety. Guidelines on safe fasting practices and potential risks. Before embarking on a fasting regimen, it is crucial to prioritize safety and well-being. Consulting a holistic healthcare professional before starting any fasting practice is paramount, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications. A holistic healthcare provider can offer personalized guidance and ensure that fasting is safe and appropriate for your individual health needs. Common side effects of fasting may include headaches, fatigue, dizziness, and irritability as the body adjusts to the changes in food intake. It is essential to listen to your body and address these symptoms by staying hydrated, getting adequate rest, and incorporating nutrient-dense foods during eating periods. Monitoring your body's response to fasting and making adjustments as needed can help mitigate potential side effects and ensure a positive fasting experience. Staying hydrated and nourished during fasting is key to maintaining optimal health and energy levels. Drinking an adequate amount of water and consuming nutrient-rich foods during eating windows can help support your body's functions and prevent dehydration or nutrient deficiencies. Prioritizing balanced meals and snacks when breaking a fast can replenish essential nutrients and sustain energy levels throughout the fasting period. By following these guidelines and prioritizing safety and self-care, you can embark on a fasting journey that supports your health and well-being. Remember to listen to your body, seek professional guidance when needed, and approach fasting with mindfulness and respect for your body's needs. In conclusion, fasting emerges as a transformative practice with a multitude of health benefits that can enhance overall well-being. Throughout this video, we have explored the significant advantages of fasting for health and vitality. Recapping the main benefits, fasting can support weight management, improve metabolism, enhance insulin sensitivity, and reduce inflammation. It also shows promise in promoting brain health, longevity, and disease prevention, including chronic conditions like heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. As you consider incorporating fasting into your lifestyle, we encourage you to do so under the guidance of a healthcare professional. Consulting with a healthcare provider can help tailor a fasting regimen to your individual needs and ensure a safe and effective approach. Furthermore, we urge you to delve deeper into fasting-related content to gain a holistic understanding of this practice. By exploring additional resources, research, and expert insights, you can expand your knowledge and make informed decisions about integrating fasting into your health routine. Embrace the potential of fasting as a tool for optimizing your health and well-being and embark on a journey towards a healthier, more vibrant life. Now is the time to take action. Subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and explore more of our content. By subscribing and liking, you support us in creating more valuable videos while also staying updated on our latest uploads. Join our channel's community by subscribing today and be a part of our journey towards creating meaningful and informative content together. Thank you for being here and see you back here on our next video.